everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Gillian and thank you for joining me. Today we are in a different setup. This is my messy kitchen in the background, as you can see. I was just about to clean it. I was inspired by a lot of speed cleans and clean with me type videos on YouTube, so I thought, why not film it, because it's quite satisfying to see everything get clean and tidy and all come together at the end, and it might motivate some of you. So yeah, I'll do a quick overview of what the kitchen's looking like now, and then I will speed through the cleaning process and do a little voiceover explaining what I'm up to. If you haven't already, please subscribe down below and click the thumbs up button, it would really mean a lot to me. And let's get started and clean my messy, dirty kitchen. So here is a little overview of my kitchen. It's not the style I like at all, but you know, it's not too bad. Obviously it's a bit outdated, but we only moved into this house a year ago and it's not really on the top of our list to get done because, you know, it's still functional and it's not the worst kitchen in the world. But yes, so things to do today. I've got a lot of rubbish on the worktop and a big massive pile of dishes, and then I've got clean dishes here that need to go away, and just a general tidy and clean up. I need to clean the cooker quite a lot, the inside oven part as well, and sweep the floor, clean the floor. These are the products I'm going to be using today. I've just got Dettol floor cleaner. This is really handy because you just spray it, you don't need to mix it with water or anything. And my all-time favourite Method daily kitchen cleaner, this is clementine scent. It's really nice and fresh. And then just in case I want to clean the cooker with a bit of bleach, I've got Star Drops kitchen spray. And for all the glass and like the fridge and washing machine, things like that, I like to clean it with window and glass cleaner. This one is from Star Drops. I meant to also say I can never clean or do anything houseworky without listening to some music, so I've got my handy Alexa here and I'm just going to play some music while I clean. First of all, I'm just taking all the clean dishes, putting them away while I run the water for the remaining dirty dishes. I'm just taking the food waste and the recycling outside and putting it in the bins. Then I'm just emptying the different bags and boxes that were lying around, and I decided to clean the bin on the inside. Now I'm moving on to the worktops. I am emptying the toaster out, then moving all the appliances and bread bin out the way, giving it a good clean with Method. And then I'm going to use my glass cleaner for the bread bin since it's a shiny surface, and it ended up coming up lovely. I've never done that before. Same with the toaster, and I think I did the microwave as well, I'm not sure. So I realised that the oven was a lot dirtier than I thought on the inside, so I had to use this heavy duty oven cleaner. The smell was so strong and I had to wear gloves, make sure the air was well ventilated before I did it, Then you leave it for 5 minutes to soak. My little Christmas plant has finally died, but I'm going to keep the little container and put it up the loft until Christmas. When it's a really sunny day, my kitchen gets really warm, so as a bonus I didn't need to dry my dishes by hand. They seem to just air dry really quickly, so I'm just putting it all away and it makes a big difference to it looking a lot tidier. I'm on to cleaning the sink. I used some of the Star Drops bleach spray. And for the plug holes, I'm using the old baking powder and vinegar solution. It really cleans the sink well and removes any odours. I know better than to call back. For my bin, I just put a little scoot of Febreze. I'm cleaning the outside and I'm using glass cleaner on the fridge and it makes it come up nice and shiny. Then I'm just hoovering the kitchen and I will be mopping it with the Dettol solution that I showed you earlier. I've been holding on to these dreams. Finishing off by putting all the cloths and dirty tea towels in the washing machine. Little scoot of Febreze and that's it. And there we have it, guys. Nice, beautiful, clean kitchen, clutter free again. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed watching me do a little speed clean. It was actually quite a deep clean I did this time around, but I hope you enjoyed and got some inspiration or motivation to do your own kitchens. I am going to have a well-deserved sit down and then I will need to make my dinner. Thank you again for watching and subscribing. It means so much to me. We're on 139 subscribers as I film this, so thank you to each and every one of you, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.